Hello, kid. Today we are going to learn about the home of birds. Well, when we look at the sky, don't we feel amazing? Looking at different kinds of birds. They look so colorful, isn't it? But don't you think that they also need some shelter just like you and I do? Of course they need. So let's see an incident and find out where do the birds live. Your friend Kajal yesterday found out a roundish bowl from the corner of her house. She was all confused. What is this all about? It was made of coarse grass and she had never seen something like this before in her life. So Kajal went to her mom. Looking at that, Kajal's mom became very sad. She said that was a nest of the song sparrows that used to come to their home for food. So Kajal got even more confused. She asked her mom, "What is a nest?" So her mom said, "Just like we live in our home, similarly, birds also have their home, which is called a nest." So Kajal's mom said, "Do you remember that when we came, we were also searching for a home? Firstly, we found a home that was a big home for us. And since it was too big, we did not take it. Then we got a house which was small. So we didn't select that as well. Finally, after searching a lot of houses, we found our perfect home." Similarly, birds also search for the proper places wherein they can make their nests as well. They don't make nest anywhere and everywhere. Why is that? Because first they look for the area where they are making the nest. It should be free from predators. Otherwise, the predators would cause harm to the birds and the birdlings. Who do you think builds the nest? Is it the male or the female bird? Who do you think builds the nest? Well, it is the female bird which builds the nest most of the time. So, here we see that the bird has made the nest, the female bird, and the male bird guards the nest from predators because their nest is very precious to them, just like our homes are very precious to us. So, do you think nests are only for shelter? Not really. Just like when you were born, you were brought to your home so that you could be fed, taken care of and raised, correct? Similarly, in nests, they lay their eggs so that they can have their children as well. So, once the egg gets hatched, the newborn comes out of the egg. So, the birdling has arrived. So, do you think all the birds make their nests on top of the trees? Not necessarily. They make nests in different kind of areas. Interesting, right? Let's find out. Well, this is a killdeer bird and it makes its nest on the ground. Not only that, it also lays its eggs on the ground itself. So, now we see a blue-winged parrotlet. Well, they make their nest in the natural cavities or the holes that have been made by the other species. So, a blue-winged parrot makes its nest in the natural cavities or those holes. Next, we have the woodpeckers. How do they make their nests? Well, they keep on pecking on the decayed part of the trunk of the tree. So that's how they make their nests in the trunk of the trees. Now we have got the beautiful swans over here. Well, they make their nests in the pond itself. Can you see the floating nest over here? Well, they make it from twigs and other coarse grass. Even the flamingos make their nests on the sides of the water bodies. So, they gather over here the mud, the twigs and other grass materials and make their nests. Well, have you seen a weaver bird? Well, it weaves its nest out of grasses and its nests keep on hanging from the branches of the tree in the air. Now we have got the tailor bird. Well, do you know, kid, what does a tailor do? Correct. He stitches our clothes, right? Similarly, a tailor bird also stitches its nest out of the leaves over here. The most common nest that we find is the nest of the sparrows. Well, it is easily available in our houses, whether in the ventilators or the windows. Then we have got the nest of the crows. Well, other birds usually make their nests out of the grass and the twigs. But crows use everything possible, like the dried leaves, the wires, whatever they can get to make their nests. Now let's meet the laziest bird ever. He is the cuckoo. Do you know, he doesn't even make a nest. So where does he go for his shelter? Well, he goes to the crow's nest and lays his eggs over there itself, and then he flies away. So, what does it happen inside the nest? Firstly, the bird feeds its birdlings. Then it takes care of them. And finally, he teaches them how to fly. Why is this required? Because a bird needs to fly from one place to another to hunt for its food. So, once the birdling has learned how to fly, all the birds fly away from their nest, and finally it remains vacant. So, my dear kid, I am sure now you have understood how birds make their nests and why is it useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per ICC, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. More than 5,000 plus amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social studies. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubt. That's not all. You can also win amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So, at deltastep.com, learning is not only fun and easy but also rewarding. So, register for free now.